Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s squared. This one that is about negative number 1. So we can do about factorization by s plus 2. Next, this is about identity. So we have s minus 1, s plus 1. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s plus 2, capital B over s minus 1, capital C over s plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s minus 1, s plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s minus 1, s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus 2 and s plus 1. So capital B multiplied by s plus 2, s plus 1. And we can do similar for capital C. Now we need to expand this one. And this one. And this one. Oh sorry, this is negative number 1. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus b plus c. About s, we have 3b plus c. About the number, we have negative a plus 2b minus 2c. Next, we need to compare coefficients. We don't have s squared, so a plus b plus c equals to number 0. This one that is about number 1. So 3b plus c equals to number 1. About the number, this one equals to negative number 5. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So A equals to negative 7 over 3. B equals to negative 2 over 3. And the last one, that's about number 3. Now we put A, B, C go in here. So A equals to negative 7 over 3. B equals to negative 2 over 3. C equals to number 3. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.